Ah, French cuisine. It holds a certain charm, wouldn't you agree? The elegance, the finesse, the way simple ingredients transform into culinary masterpieces. Welcome to the Culinary Companion. Today we journey into this world, exploring a sauce that embodies French culinary artistry, the magnificent Hollandaise. Imagine a velvety smooth sauce, rich and buttery, yet light and airy. It's a dance of flavors on your palate, a hint of tanginess perfectly balanced with the richness of butter. This, my friends, is the magic of Hollandaise. Hollandaise is not merely a sauce, it's an experience. It elevates simple dishes, turning them into something truly special. Whether gracing eggs Benedict for a leisurely brunch, or adding flair to grilled asparagus, Hollandaise brings a touch of French elegance to your table. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of this classic sauce? Let's gather our ingredients and embark on this culinary adventure together. Making Hollandaise may seem daunting, but fear not. With a few simple ingredients and a bit of practice, you'll be whisking up this classic sauce like a true chef. The beauty of Hollandaise lies in its simplicity. We begin with egg yolks, the golden heart of our sauce. They provide richness and that luxurious velvety texture that defines Hollandaise. Next comes the star of the show, unsalted butter. Remember, quality matters. Choose a butter with a rich flavor, as it will shine through in the final sauce. We'll clarify the butter, removing the milk solids to create a silky smooth emulsion. A touch of acidity is crucial to balance the richness of the butter and egg yolks. Fresh lemon juice is our go-to, adding a bright citrusy note that awakens the palate. Finally, a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper to season our sauce to perfection. Remember, tasting as you go is key to achieving just the right balance. Now that we have our ingredients prepped, let's dive into the art of making Hollandaise. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. We'll use a double boiler, or bain-marie, to gently cook the egg yolks. This ensures a smooth, creamy texture without the risk of scrambling. Fill a saucepan with a few inches of water and bring it to a simmer. Place a heat-proof bowl over the simmering water, ensuring the bottom doesn't touch the water. Add the egg yolks and lemon juice to the bowl. Now the whisking begins. Whisk vigorously, incorporating air into the mixture. You'll notice the yolks lighten in color and thicken slightly. This is what we want. Slowly drizzle in the warm, clarified butter while continuously whisking. This is the crucial step where the emulsion forms. Keep whisking until the sauce thickens to a beautiful, satiny consistency. It should coat the back of a spoon. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Voila! You've created a masterpiece. Now let's explore the delicious possibilities that await. Hollandaise sauce is incredibly versatile, its rich, buttery flavor complementing a wide range of dishes. Let your culinary creativity run wild. Imagine perfectly poached eggs nestled on toasted English muffins, generously draped with velvety Hollandaise. Yes, we're talking about the classic Eggs Benedict, a match made in culinary heaven. But the possibilities don't end there. Hollandaise is also divine, drizzled over steamed asparagus, broccoli, or green beans. It adds a touch of indulgence to these simple vegetables, elevating them to new heights. Grilled fish, particularly salmon or trout, takes on a whole new dimension when paired with Hollandaise. The sauce's richness beautifully contrasts the delicate flavor of the fish. And let's not forget about potatoes. Roasted, mashed, or even simple boiled potatoes are elevated to gourmet status with a generous drizzle of Hollandaise. Our Eggs Benedict. This iconic dish is a testament to the perfect marriage of flavors and textures, with Hollandaise sauce playing the starring role. Picture this, a toasted English muffin, its crispy exterior giving way to a soft, fluffy interior. On top, a perfectly poached egg, its yolk a golden promise of richness. And then, the piece de résistance, a generous drizzle of velvety smooth Hollandaise sauce, blanketing the egg in its buttery embrace. Each bite is an explosion of flavor and texture. The tangy Hollandaise cuts through the richness of the egg yolk, while the English muffin provides a satisfying crunch. It's a symphony of flavors that has captured hearts and stomachs for generations. Whether enjoyed for a leisurely brunch, a special occasion breakfast, or even a decadent dinner, Eggs Benedict is a true classic that never disappoints. While classic Hollandaise is a true delight, don't be afraid to explore its many variations. By adding a few simple ingredients, you can create a world of flavor possibilities. Imagine adding a touch of warmth and earthiness to your hollandaise by incorporating finely chopped fresh herbs like tarragon, chives, or chervil. The herbal notes add a new dimension of flavor, complementing a wide range of dishes. For a touch of heat, consider adding a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. The subtle spiciness adds a pleasant kick, especially delicious with seafood or vegetables. If you're feeling adventurous, try blending roasted red peppers into your hollandaise for a vibrant and flavorful twist. The sweetness of the peppers adds a unique dimension, pairing beautifully with grilled chicken or fish. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun. Let your taste buds guide you as you create your own signature hollandaise variations. Now, let's delve into the world of hollandaise's sophisticated cousin, béarnaise sauce. This classic French sauce builds upon the foundation of hollandaise, adding a layer of complexity that will tantalize your taste buds. Béarnaise sauce starts with the same base as hollandaise egg yolks, clarified butter, and lemon juice. However, it's the addition of a reduction made with white wine vinegar, shallots, and peppercorns that sets it apart. This reduction, simmered until syrupy, infuses the sauce with an intense depth of flavor. The shallots add a subtle sweetness, while the peppercorns provide a hint of spice. Béarnaise sauce is traditionally paired with grilled steak, and for good reason. Its rich, buttery flavor perfectly complements the robust flavor of the meat. The sauce's acidity cuts through the richness of the steak, creating a harmonious balance. However, don't limit yourself to just steak. Béarnaise sauce is also delicious with grilled fish, roasted chicken, and even vegetables like asparagus. Let's continue our exploration of hollandaise variations with coron sauce, a vibrant and flavorful twist on the classic. This sauce is a feast for both the eyes and the palate, adding a pop of color and a burst of freshness to your dishes. Coron sauce starts with a base of hollandaise, but it's the addition of tomato puree or tomato paste that gives it its signature rosy hue and tangy flavor. The tomato adds a touch of sweetness and acidity, balancing out the richness of the butter and egg yolks. This sauce is particularly delicious with grilled fish, especially salmon or swordfish. The tomato's acidity cuts through the richness of the fish, while the buttery hollandaise base adds a luxurious touch. Coron sauce is also a wonderful accompaniment to roasted chicken, grilled vegetables, and even poached eggs. Its vibrant color and fresh flavor make it a welcome addition to any plate. For a final flourish in our exploration of hollandaise variations, let's uncover the bright and zesty delight that is Maltaise sauce. This citrus-infused sauce is a refreshing take on the classic, adding a burst of sunshine to your culinary creations. Maltaise sauce, as its name suggests, features the vibrant flavors of blood oranges. The juice and zest of these oranges are added to the traditional hollandaise base, infusing the sauce with a citrusy aroma and a tangy sweetness. The addition of blood oranges not only enhances the flavor but also transforms the color of the sauce, giving it a beautiful pale pink hue. This makes Maltaise sauce a visually appealing addition to any dish. This sauce pairs beautifully with asparagus, artichokes, and other spring vegetables. It also complements the delicate flavor of whitefish, such as cod or halibut, adding a refreshing touch. There you have it, my friends. The secrets of hollandaise sauce unveiled. Remember, the key is to approach it with confidence and a dash of culinary curiosity. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors, adding your own personal touch to this classic sauce. Whether you prefer the traditional elegance of hollandaise, the robust depth of béarnaise, or the vibrant twists of coron or maltaise, there's a world of flavor waiting to be discovered. So gather your ingredients, warm up your whisks, and embark on this culinary adventure. And remember, the most important ingredient is always a dash of passion. Like, subscribe and ring the bell. Bon appétit!